Wonder.
I don't see nobody coming towards me. Am I alone in this room? Do I see a storm coming after me? Do I see a tornado? Destroying everything in the path. Oh my goodness, think I'm about to die. I don't wanna die, I wanna be alive. Please save me from death itself. I want to escape death itself. I don't know if I could outrun it. I'm so scared down. I don't wanna die, fucking please save me. Oh, can you just save me? I see another tornado coming after me, coming after me. I see a tornado in the distance. I see a tornado in the distance. I don't wanna die right now, right here. Can I be safe? Oh, please save me. Oh, I don't wanna be alone. Can I get a guy, a girl? Come, somebody be with me. Somebody freaking hold my hand. I don't wanna be alone in this darkness. I wanna be in the lightness. Oh, where is you? Where are you? Where are you? I can't seem to find you. It's so impossible to go after you. No, I'm trapped in a dungeon. No, somebody get me out of here. Hope somebody come find me. I don't wanna be trapped and alone. I'm so sorry, I got bad vibes. I got bad freaking vibes. I don't feel no good energy. All I feel is bad energy. Oh, bad energy. Oh, bad energy. This ain't freaking bad vibe. I want the good vibe. Oh, I don't wanna die. No, why does that happen to me? What did I do? I'm sorry. What did I do to feel this pain? To feel alone? Please forgive me for what I done. Please forgive me what I done. I don't wanna be trapped here no more. I don't wanna be alone no more. I wanna be with around people. Oh my goodness, oh my God. Pray to God I am, yeah. I don't wanna be here no more. I don't wanna be on this earth. Let me go to a different planet. Oh. What's the good vibe?